smells good.
You hungry?
I'm not, but it smells good.
Yeah, in the Bangkok street you can walk and you can smell a lot of foods. Hello everybody!
Hello everybody!
Hope you are doing great today. So today we are at Ari station. Okay. We are at Ari station and we don't know this area. We never came here.
Yeah, me. I came here once.
Ah yeah, you came once.
Yeah.
Ah, nice. So Lyn will be our guide today. Yeah, so for me, I don't know this place. Oh, look at that. So we will have to cross the road because it's a pretty large road, and to cross it we will take like a bridge. But this is interesting.
Yeah, it's too funny. They have
It's
a triangle. Yeah.
triangle bridge.
Okay,
So we will
let's
take
go
it.
up.
Yeah. Yeah, nice.
You can go to the right and me I'm going to the left and we jump at the middle.
Yes.
See, so many tuk-tuks there.
Ah, yes. Oh, BTS. I wonder if it's a isosceles triangle.
Isosceles.
No, I think it's I'm not sure the name in English, but equilateral.
Equilateral.
I don't know. I'm going to check later.
Okay, so there is South and Kwai direction, and
Quite Chatuchak, yeah.
yeah, and Chatuchak, yes. If you go straight with the BTS, you can get off at BTS Mochit station, and you can reach the Chatuchak weekend market, the popular market in Bangkok. And yeah, and there it's so Ari, and if you go straight, you will arrive at Victory Monument. Okay, so this place looks nice. There is many tuk-tuk. I don't know why there is so many tuk-tuk here. Maybe there is something interesting to see here, and they wait for clients. I don't know. Oh, hello birds.
What just
Oh, I almost fall. It's okay.
not funny though.
It's okay. Okay, so this is showing the time that street vendors are allowed to occupy the street for selling stuff. It's funny, huh? Barber shop. Whoa. The pigeon here is crazy.
They attack you.
Almost touch me. Oh, nice. Where we are now, I don't know. Ah, We are at
Oh yeah, so Ari one.
Soi Ari.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay,
nice
let's go
street. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's a cute street. Hey, it's nice also. What is it? Let's go see. Nice.
It's colorful here.
Yeah, and really cute. Small place here. It's like a secret garden.
Ooh, it smells good.
You hungry?
I'm not, but it smells good.
Yeah, in Bangkok street you can walk and you can smell a lot of foods because there is street vendors everywhere, there is food everywhere, and yeah, you just smell it and you want to buy and eat. Men's barber shop. Okay, we are back here. A lot of motorbike and bicycle along the road. There is a lot of stuff here on the street. You have food, you have a key shop, beer house, I think it's bubble tea. Ah, this is the exit of just before.
Ah, it's a plaza. Okay.
Ah, okay.
$7-Eleven.
Nice. Oh, we have a cute scone and bakery shop here. Tiny one. Tiny shop. Have some condo. Oh, this is a cafe that is closed. But nice cafe, huh? If
Looks
it was
nice.
if it was open.
Yeah, so sad.
Ah, they have this. This is a Thai program for helping the
Thai people?
yeah, but but it's more for helping the tourism industry. So people can use this application and pay the food with this, and the government will pay half.
But it's only for Thai people to...
Yeah, so you have to have an address in Thailand, and you can use only on the on the city where you don't live. Like if you live in Bangkok, you can use it maybe at I don't know, at Pahin, but you cannot use it in Bangkok. What is this? Yeah, I don't know. Is it a house?
No,
If-
I think I don't know. Seems like a small village of different condo.
Yeah, or a big house.
It's not a house. This is like a...
It's like a villa. Well, I don't know.
It's so
Mansion.
huge. Yeah,
Mansion.
it's not a house.
Yeah, I don't know. Ah, we can see from behind the Pearl Tower. Okay, it's a nice street, huh? There is a lot of you have a different condo, nice condo here. So living here is pretty good, and at the end of the street, just before, you have a lot of food. And here we have some coffee, and
This is a
so
hospital.
yeah, it's a pretty good. Yeah, it's a hospital. It's a nice street. Coffee here. Wake up promotion.
Okay guys, so hope you like this walk around Ari today, and if so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. And we also hope that you see something new today with us, explore more Bangkok also, and yeah, see you in the next one.
Yeah, see you, bye.